Let us take one more example on orthogonal matrix. Apply the orthogonal property of the orthogonal matrix 1 upon 13 into minus 12 minus 5 a minus 12 to find value of a. So now what is the question? The question, this matrix is orthogonal, then we have to obtain the value of a. We have to find the value of a if the following matrix is orthogonal. The matrix A is orthogonal, then we have to find out the value of A. We know that orthogonal matrix A is called orthogonal. A matrix A is called orthogonal if A transpose A is equal to A transpose, which is equal to I. A into A transpose is equal to A transpose A equal to I. Since the given matrix is orthogonal, therefore A transpose is equal to I. We will take only the first part, no need to consider both ones. So we are taking this one. A into A transpose is equal to I. Now, A is equal to 1 upon 13 minus 12 minus 5, A minus 12. This is the A, and its transpose will be 1 upon 13. So this row will be converted to column, first column. Second row will be converted to second column, which is equal to I means I2, identity matrix of order 2, because the matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, the identity matrix will be also 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us multiply this one. 1 by 13 into 1 by 13. We have taken outside. Multiply minus 12 into minus 12. Minus 5 plus minus 5 into minus 5. First part. Minus 12 into A. Minus 5 into minus 12. Second part, second element of the first row. Similarly, A into minus 12 plus minus 12 into minus 5. A into A plus minus 12 minus 12, which is equal to 1001. Now, if we simplify it, this is 1 upon 69. 12 minus 12 into minus 12 is plus 144. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. Minus 12A plus 60. Minus 5 into 12 is 60. Similarly, minus 12 plus 60. And this is A square plus 144, which is equal to 1001. So 169 minus 12A plus 60 minus 12A plus 60, A square plus 144. And now we multiply this 1 by 69 goes to this side, will become 169 multiplied. So let us again write over here, which is equal to 169, 0, 0, and 169. Since these two matrices are same, so their corresponding elements are also same, like that 169 is equal to 169. Therefore, the remaining, this should be equal to 0, this should be equal to 0, and this should be equal to 169. Equality of two matrices, we have minus 12A plus 60 equal to 0, and A square plus 144 equal to 169. If we simplify it, this 60 will goes to this side, might become minus 60, minus minus will cancel. Here 144 goes to this side, will become minus 144. What is the value of A? A upon 60 upon 12. Similarly, a square equal to 25. If we, what is 12? 60 divided by 12, which is equal to 5. Similarly, a equal to root 25, and root 25 is nothing but plus minus 5. Therefore, the value of a is equal to plus minus 5. Hence, if the given matrix is orthogonal, where a is unknown, then the value of a equal to plus minus 5. Thank you.